Slide AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools to hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to stay ahead of the curve with AI, you'll want to stick around till the end. I'll share not only how Slide AI works, but why it might be the tool you've been waiting for. And best of all, you can try it out completely free. Just check the first link below. Now, let's get into it. Slide AI was released recently, and it promises to simplify and supercharge your workflow with its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities. Whether you're creating presentations, content, or brainstorming ideas, Slide AI claims to make the process faster and more efficient. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, one of the standout features of Slide AI is its ability to instantly generate slide decks based on just a few key points. This is a game changer for anyone who's spent hours designing presentations. With just a sentence or two, you can create a fully formed, polished presentation that includes images, text, and structured content. It's incredibly fast and impressive, especially for busy professionals or those who need to deliver presentations on tight deadlines. Second, Slide AI's design capabilities are built to be user-friendly but highly professional. It uses AI to match your content with the best design elements, ensuring that your slides are not only functional, but also visually appealing. The software includes customizable templates, color schemes, and styles, which means you can adjust it to your brand's look or personal preference with ease. Third, Slide AI also offers an automatic editing function that ensures the presentation stays coherent and engaging throughout. It analyzes your content and makes suggestions for improving clarity, flow, and engagement. This is perfect for marketers who need to quickly polish their decks without needing to hire a designer or editor. Fourth, the software supports collaboration in real time, which is ideal for teams working remotely or businesses that need to make updates quickly. Slide AI lets multiple users work on the same project at once, making it simple to get input, tweak details, and finalize a presentation, all without the chaos of version control issues. Fifth, Slide AI includes built-in AI tools that allow you to generate content. It has a writing assistant that helps you draft content, suggest ideas, or expand on bullet points. This is an excellent feature for marketers and content creators who need a little extra help fleshing out their ideas. Sixth, Slide AI integrates with platforms like Google Drive and Microsoft PowerPoint. This means you can easily import your content from your existing workflow and export the finished product in various formats. This integration reduces friction and ensures you're not wasting time learning an entirely new system. Seventh, and lastly, Slide AI's pricing model is very competitive, with a free trial that lets you test the software before committing. For those who want to dive deeper, the premium version unlocks more advanced features, but the free version still offers tons of value. So, should you try Slide AI? If you're someone who regularly creates presentations, works in marketing, or needs to communicate ideas quickly and professionally, this software is absolutely worth checking out. And remember, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've also included some of my top recommendations down below, which you can try for free. If you're looking to stay ahead of the game and make your workflow more efficient, these tools could be just what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below for your free trials.